Hey there, so in our last tutorial we saw how to restrict our rectangle to go beyond the center of the window, and now we are finally moving towards shooting a bullet with our rectangle, like shooting it with our space keyboard. But before doing that, let's quickly manage these codes, because we don't have these implementation inside our source file, but we have all the implementation in the header file, which I don't like and which is also not a good practice. But for ease and to show everything in one screen, I used it like this. But this is not a good practice. You need to have your definitions here, initialization here or declaration here, and the definition should be in your source file. So for doing that easily, I'll just keep these here because these are smaller implementation. So I'll just keep the setters and getters here, and I'm going to send my functions to my source file. For doing that, just go to the function, right click, and then go to refactor, move your definition to control.cpp. So it pulled my move left function right here, see? Or you can manually copy it, or I can manually copy it for you. I'll just grab this, or move right from here, right here, and then I go to CPP. I'll write my return type and class name, because I'm like defining it outside of the class, right? And my function name, which is move right. And then paste my definition here. But Qt Creator gives this feature to straightly push your definitions to your source file from the header, so I'm going to just use that feature. But you can do it either ways. If you're not using Qt Creator, then this feature will not be available. But as we have this available, I'm going to use this. So I send my apply thrust here as well, and let's go back to our implementation. Looks good. And I'm also going to push my update slot, so set my definition to there. Yeah, I have my apply thrust somewhere here, which is a sock. This is a slot. Oh, sorry, our update state is a slot. And if I go to header file, it has like public slot and just a declaration, but our all the definitions are shifted to control.cpp source file. Now this looks fine. Now in the coming videos, we will look how to shoot bullet from our rectangle. I'll see you in the next one. Please do manage your code. I was just doing that to teach you. That is not a good practice. So keep your headers in your headers file, and then keep your definition in the source file. That's why we need header and source file. That's the reason. So I'll see you in the next one.